Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn Maiden Hair Stitch, which is a decorative stitch more or less like a single feather stitch with 3 stitches on each side. We shall do this stitch in 7 parallel lines. Start at the central line on one end. Insert the needle and straight to the starting point. Insert the needle on the next line and take it out below the previous stitch like this. Thread below the needle and just pull over. We have finished the first feather like stitch, and in the next parallel line insert the needle and take it out in the central line. Thread below the needle and pull over. Finish the second line and insert the needle on the next parallel line and take it out in the central line. Thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished all the 3 stitches on one side, and now we'll go to the other side straight to this point. We shall turn the frame and insert the needle on the next parallel line and take it out in the central line. Thread below the needle and pull over. Now insert the needle on the next line straight to the previous stitch and take it out in the central line. Thread below the needle like this and pull over, and again insert the needle on the next parallel line and take it out in the central line. Thread below the needle and pull over, and now we have finished the 3 stitches on the other side. Once again 3 stitches on the previous side. This stitch is a decorative stitch which looks like single feather stitch, but the stitches come on both the sides. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button and also share this video with your friends. Please subscribe for my channel and also click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have already posted so many videos on basic embroidering stitches, and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. The level of the stitch is easy. This stitch can be accompanied with other stitches like the French knot or oyster stitch to create beautiful designs. I'll show you after finishing this maiden stitch. Now I have finished. You can put French knots at the end of each stitch like this, which will look like a bud in the stem in your design and patterns. And this is the back view of the stitch. Here you can't see the central line. Thank you for watching.